Hello, dear students. Welcome to What, Why, How, the daily initiative by IAS Baba, where we take up a current topic or an editorial and we declutter it in less than 10 minutes. The topic that we have chosen today is something that is bothering Indians, both way back home here in India and even in USA. There have been reports that are coming about the US plane carrying almost 205 deported Indians, and the plane is now going to land in Amritsar in the afternoon. So this news was earlier backed up by certain reports that said that almost 18,000 Indians were identified as illegal immigrants in the US. And it's after that one group of amongst them were going to get deported, and this is what has happened right now. Points to be noted over here is these illegal immigrants were deported back in military flights, a very unusual thing for another country to do. So this has also created a little bit of havoc over here. So let's understand what exactly is the issue, what is the reason for such illegal immigrants occurring over there, etc. It all started when recently in America you have the Donald Trump coming back into power, and along with him, he's always had an extremely strict stance on illegal migration. Be it when it comes to H1B and all, those are not illegal migration, those are the normal legal routes for migration into America. He's been a little bit less strict when it comes to those measures, but when it comes to illegal immigrants, he's constantly called them as invaders into America, the people who are parasites in America, etc. So these are certain things that were part of his winning agenda, that he will actually cleanse America of illegal immigrants. And this is where this news comes in. As of 2022, more than 7 lakh undocumented Indians were living in United States. The center estimates making them the third largest group behind Mexicans and Salvadorians. So Mexicans, Salvadorians, and the next largest group that has illegally migrated into America are your Indians. Now, it all starts because there are so many reasons as to why this kind of an illegal immigration has happened. The one major thing is a lot of people who reach America on work permit, once their work permit is over and the work permit is not again what you say re-registered by their whoever was the authority that had given them the work permit, what happens is the work permit is not valid at this point. It is given for a very specific amount of time, and after this, if they are overstaying that specific amount of time, it is basically they are called as illegally staying in America. So some arrive legally and overstay their visas. Others, what they do is even the arrival is in the illegal route. They cross the borders without authorization. In fact, in 2023 alone, almost 90,000 Indians were arrested as they tried to cross the United States illegally. You would have seen the very popular Bollywood movie, which was talking about the donkey routes to move into America, primarily showing giving fake work permits, charging exorbitant amount of money from vulnerable people and saying that they could be crossing the border, but always ending up maybe captured by the officials that are there on the border. A large reason why there is so much of illegal immigration happening is because of lack of sufficient job opportunities and economic prospects in our own country. America has always presented the idea of the American dream, where there is better employment, higher wages, and career advancement. This is also a huge pull factor. Quality education and the presence of very prestigious academic institutions also prompt very young people to cross the borders in a very very dangerous situation. Earlier it used to just be crossing through the US Mexico route. Nowadays it's even been seen that people are trying to cross the borders via your Canada, via your northern borders, etc. Apart from this, the extreme visa backlogs that are happening with respect to USA does not grant visa in a very time bound manner. Because of this, also, people try to move into the country illegally. And finally, there's a lot of misinformation that is spread through social media, deceptive travel agencies, etc., that prompt people to take this route. Now, what is India's stand? One very important thing is India has always maintained that India is against all forms of illegal migration. Illegal migration is a clear no with respect to US. So India has said that the illegal migration is whatever US has to take the measures. India completely supports the US measures, ensuring that the mass deportation. Right now, what they're just trying to do is ensuring that the mass deportation drive that is happening right now, it should not affect the legal pathways for Indian professional students and tourists to go into USA. That is what India's prime concern is right now. While illegal migration will get cracked down, they don't want legal migration routes like your H1B visa, your L1 visa. None of these things should get affected because it actually brings a lot of foreign exchange into a country in the form of professionals, students, tourists, etc. This is what India's focus is about. An added point to be noted over here is the military flights that were used. It's very unusual for a country to be using military flights to send back its illegal migrants, especially considering the fact that it is very expensive to use military planes to send back civilians. Now, the reason why even US is doing that is a sign, it's a symbolism that Trump wants to give, because he's always called illegal migrants as invaders, and the invaders of one country will be sent back to another country in military aeroplanes. So this is what is the symbolism America is trying to give, and India is right now in support of this. So in the coming days, we're going to see more of people getting deported back to India who have followed an illegal migration route. I hope this issue has been decluttered for you. Until we meet again, take care and happy learning.